What makes you? At the heart of every living thing is a molecule called DNA, the blueprint of life. But what exactly is DNA? Let's break it down. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule found in the nucleus of cells. It holds the instructions needed for an organism to develop, survive, and reproduce. The structure of DNA is a double helix, which looks like a twisted ladder. This structure is incredibly important because it allows DNA to store and transmit genetic information efficiently. The information in DNA is stored in the sequence of its nucleotides. This sequence encodes instructions for building proteins, which carry out various functions in the cell. When organisms reproduce, this genetic information is passed from parents to offsprings, ensuring that the offspring inherit traits from their parents. The rungs of this ladder are made of pairs of molecules called nucleotides. There are 4 types of nucleotides in DNA: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. The phosphate and sugar molecules forms the backbone of the DNA strand, holding everything together. Adenine always pairs with thymine via 2 hydrogen bonds, and cytosine always pairs with guanine via 3 hydrogen bonds. These pairs are like the letters of a very special alphabet, spelling out the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. The specific order of these letters is what makes each organism unique. Before a cell divides, it must copy its DNA. This process is known as DNA replication. The double helix unwinds, and each strand serves as a template for the new strand. This ensures that each new cell has an exact copy of the DNA. DNA plays a critical role in making proteins, which are essential for the structure and function of cells. The process starts with transcription, where a section of DNA is copied into messenger RNA or mRNA. The mRNA then leaves the nucleus and heads to a ribosome, where the real magic happens. As the ribosome reads the mRNA, it translates the information into a sequence of specific amino acids. These amino acids are like building blocks. They link together to form a protein. But the process doesn't end here. These amino acids then fold in different ways to form different proteins, each with a unique function in the body. The unique sequence of nucleotides in your DNA determines your traits, such as eye color, hair color, and even some aspects of your personality. Each person's DNA is unique, which is why we all look and behave differently. Sometimes changes or mutations can occur in DNA. These mutations can affect the way proteins are made. While a normal DNA sequence makes a normal functional protein, a mutated DNA sequence might produce an abnormal protein or even no protein at all. This can lead to various outcomes depending on the role of that protein in the body. Did you know if you stretched out all the DNA in your body, it would reach the sun and back over 600 times? That's a lot of genetic information. So, the next time you wonder what makes you unique, remember, it all starts with DNA. We bid adieu until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more such content.